Hey, what's up everybody? You're watching Rookie the Pro FRS and I'm your driver, Lovens President. Now I know it's been a while, but I got some exciting news for you guys. I just purchased a set of coilovers. I never had coilovers a day in my life before, and I'm excited to see how it transforms my car. I had springs on my old build, but I knew that when I got a legitimate build, I would invest in some coilovers. I can't wait to fine tune it to my liking and see how it performs. It's gonna be a fun experience, so stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you follow me on my Instagram to get updates sooner than everybody else. Yo guys, I'm already excited. I'm gonna show you in a second, but already I had a front camera problem from stock. It was like no camera pretty much. Right there, it used to poke out, but now it's just perfect the way I like it. And I didn't even do any adjustments yet. Yo, I'm so happy that I invested in some coilovers. I knew I would have been disappointed if I got springs and I wouldn't be able to adjust it. But now I'm dialing it in. I lowered it a little bit. I might lower it some more. Just a heads up, I'm not about the hella flush life. I'm trying to go after performance. Of course the look's gonna come with the territory, but I'm really happy, I'm really excited. You guys see it, big difference. I can't wait to get it officially on the road and see how it really handles.